Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Tony from my channel Cafe Dix Life. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure to like the video, leave a lovely comment, share if you want so, and stay connected. So today's video is all about my summer essentials, the products that I have been loving and using at the moment. There will be face wash, face packs, toner, soothing gel, body wash, sunscreen and perfumes that I extremely love. So if you like it so far, then please keep on watching. So I really like bath salts as my scrub in summers. This particular product right here is amazing to scrub, purifying the aging skin, dead skin. Also it will help in any discoloration of your body parts. No matter how oily or dry your skin is, it will just adjust the moisture of your skin. What I do is take a little bit of the bath salt, gently rub it in my skin with hand or my loofah and rinse it off, and it leaves my skin super glowy and soft. You can just see right here. Just gently tap it with your towel, don't rub it so much. Also this smells really fresh, which is very important for me at least. Next is this body wash from St.ives. It's a plant-based, cruelty-free and very hydrating body wash. It has a very calming fragrance. Sometimes I mix my bath salt or body scrub with it, and it's the best thing ever. This face wash right here is something that I picked randomly with no expectations, but I really liked it. It's a honey walnut facial scrub. It's like a gel cleanser along with some beads, which helps in exfoliating. Although it's a gel wash, but as soon as I start massaging it in my skin, it turns into a foam wash. It's a hydrating face wash. So if you are looking for something exfoliating gel and a great cleanser, then please try this out. For face mask, I have used this one and I think it's a very gentle face mask. Toner is extremely important for our skin. The moment I realized it, my skincare game changed. This improves the pH balance of our skin. It's not a cleanser, it will lock your cleansed skin. That way pores, whiteheads will stay away a little longer. Take a decent amount of product in a cotton pad and apply it on your skin. Sunscreen. We all know about this. Everyone in social media is talking about this. I am saying too, no matter what season it is, what day it is, inside, outside, you should use a sunscreen all day long. I thought of trying a new soothing gel beside my trusty Evelyn aloe vera gel. This is a soothing gel lotion. It's like a lotion in a gel form. It absorbs into the skin, and soothing gels are important to calm your skin. It's a skin food. Also in the long run, it helps your skin to look glass skin. You can apply it on your freshly washed and scrubbed skin and you're good to go. It's a moisturizer itself. I love perfumes, ouds, body oils. I like to smell good all the time. My pick for this summer is this Versace Eros Flame perfume. It's a very all-in-one smelling kind of perfume, very summery, dark, fresh and dusky kind of smell. Date nights, day outings, it fits every mood. I hope you all will find this video helpful. Until next time, stay happy.